So let's talk about some of the use of cryptocurrencies so far. So the industry is 10 years old now. And then what is the use of blockchain? Does it have real-world application? Yes, it has a real-world application. Bitland, a non-profit organization, has developed a registry built on the blockchain that will help people in issues that has to do with land ownership. So Africa, for example, is a continent that is riddled with land disputes and the rest of them. So a person could have a land and sell that land to more than one party. And even someone who does not have a land can sell a land that does not belong to him. He will produce the necessary papers. And when they start to challenge this stuff, a lot of people will even lose their lives in the process. And there are issues that extend from one generation to another generation because of a dispute over land. That's why in Africa, when you want to buy a land, you don't just go and say this is an agency to buy land. No, you have to find this. And even most times there are 80 to 90% chances that such land we have dispute. So what Bitland is doing is solving a very, very, very great problem. And I really appreciate that because they are bringing that on the blockchain, and it's a very, very welcome development. So they are starting with Ghana, and they hope to cover the whole of Africa. If the whole of Africa can be covered on that, it's going to be a very, very big day. Then I'm calling on other projects, and I also want the community out there to call out all these projects. For example, talk about For New. This is a company that wants to turn waste into energy. Then there are many companies like they want to decentralize the energy market. Let them come to Africa. Platforms like TechCoin, where they want to partner with mobile operators to provide banking services and or other services, cryptocurrencies to the masses. Let them come to Africa. Let them come to Southeast Asia. Let them go to India. And then go to all these countries. There are South Americans, Puerto Rico, Cuba, those are Yemen. These are countries that you know that they are backward in their living. So most times we should not be thinking what this platform can do for us. We should be thinking that this platform we're investing in, how can it impact the world? Because if you look at the blockchain, even as one of the founders of EOS, Brock Prince, he's talking about the billionaire. It's not the person. So you see, Brock Prince, he said, the billionaire is not the one who have $1 billion. The billionaire is someone who has helped 1 billion people. So always put that in mind, because always put that at the back of your mind. Always put that at the back of your mind. When you make money, whatever you do, the end goal should be, how do we help people? You may not give them money. There's someone who is homeless. How do we bring them in? How do we help them one way or the other? How do we share the knowledge? When you start doing that, you are not concerned with just yourself. You're concerned with the people who are homeless. Your life will begin to change. Even like, listen to this.
Guys, listen, I can tell you this. I was more happy when I gave a single mother a $100 bill than I was whenever I closed a $10,000 deal. Me and my dad traveled the world doing these things called Surf 48. And we will go to the worst cities in America with the most poverty, and we will serve them food. And we were doing this one in particular where we were serving food in this neighborhood, and thousands of people came together. And it came down one by one. They were each getting their food. You know, some were picking barbecue, some were picking pizza, some were picking hamburgers. They were getting all this food one by one, one by one, one by one. And it came down to about 30 people. And this little kid walks up, this little 7-year-old kid. ran out of all of our food. And this little 7-year-old kid looks down underneath the table, and he sees this soggy hot dog bun. Flies are on it, it's dirty, it's disgusting. I mean, if you looked at it, you'd probably puke. And this kid looks down, and he says, well, can I at least have that? And I told him, I'm like, why would you want that? That's disgusting. And he looks at me with almost tears, and he says, I haven't eaten in 4 days. And guys, me as this 14-year-old kid, I mean, I've had the nicest meals, I've gone to the nicest restaurant, I've hung out with the best people. I mean, anytime that I want food, I'm gonna get it. And I see this 7-year-old kid saying that he has not eaten in 4 days. So we immediately took this kid, we took him out to the best dinner, we chatted with him for an hour, he had the time of his life. But afterwards, I started thinking about this, and I started to realize there is brokenness in our own country. No, I'm not just talking about Africa. This is not a story about something in Africa. No, this happened in our own country. There is brokenness in our own country. And guys, I'm always talking about hustle. I'm always talking about work your face off. I'm always talking about personal growth and networking and going to social media and doing all this stuff. But guys, I'm going to be honest. The key to success, the key to happiness, the thing that you should be doing is giving. I can truly say that the reason I've been so blessed, the reason that I've had the opportunities that I've had, the reason that I've had dozens of viral videos, and I've had all this network, and I've spoken on all these stages, and I've been able to do all this, is because I've given first. And guys, people say money doesn't buy you happiness. But guys, that's not true. Money does buy you happiness if you give it away. So start to realize there is people who need your time, who need your energy, who need your money. Now it's your turn to give that to them. Because the number one key to success and the number one key to happiness is giving. And guys, take it from somebody who's closed deals of tens of thousands of dollars and done all this stuff. Guys, listen, I can tell you this. I was more happy when I gave a single mother a $100 bill than I was whenever I closed a $10,000 deal. Guys, please wake up. Understand that there is more to your life than just your life. There are people starving. There are people who can't walk. There are people in hospitals. There are people dying. There are people who have lost their loved ones. There are people who are struggling worse than you are. So stop complaining and start giving.
So you've seen the message. Cryptocurrency this. Oh, we want to bring loan we want to help people with secure loan. Someone in Africa want to help them secure loan. How many loans have been secured by all these people? How many people in Africa have access to these services? Then the question is, since you came into the blockchain space, how many people have you told about cryptocurrencies? You are making all the games. How much have you given back to the society? Are you happy the way you are living? So guys, do have a very, very good day. I just want to bring your notice to this project and what's just on my heart to tell you. Thank you.